Hello and welcome to Train Symphonetic. Today I got this new train. It's a class 419, which is also known as a MLV or motor luggage vehicle. So as well as this, I have this chip to go in it. It's an ESU lock pilot standard and it's 21 pins, the same as this. So first of all, I'll show you how I test the chip. Then I'm going to actually install the chip in the train and test the train. Okay, so I have my decoder tester here, and I have a JMRI Decoder Pro running on the PC. So first thing I need to do is I've loaded up the software and it's asking me what operation, and I want it in surface mode programming track. So I click that. Then it asks me for programming mode, which I'll do for direct mode, and I also put my chip on the decoder tester. So it's just put it on like that, and then you press identify, and you can see the decoder is doing stuff. So press identify, it's reading it, and we call it new one. We select the type of decoder, which is an ESU, and then it is the lock pilot standard. So I just find it on here, but it's not actually listed. Oh yes, it is lock pilot basic 1. So open program, and we have all the standard things. So you've got functions, you've got basic, where you can set the address. All these settings I'll be doing on my command system. You can set your acceleration rate, lighting, analog control, and CVs. So as that's all okay, what I next want to do is to just test it. So we +1 and enter the address. So we should now be able to test the decoder. But as I have it in the wrong mode, I can't. Actually no, I need to return the power on first. So that's my first mistake. So that's now green. So it's saying, yep, we've got the F1 working, F2's working, F3 I don't think it have, F4 it doesn't have. So then we've got the lights, which we can change the direction on by changing the direction of the train, and then we can just give it some speed to make sure that that's even working. You can hear it's running, and then if you change direction you can see it's still running. So I now know that this is all working. So I set that down to 0, I turn that off and I get rid of that, as there's a problem with JMRI whereabouts it remember what you have had running, so it keep that address active. So as this is now all working, I can quit this, and now I can get the loco ready, as I know the chip's ready. Okay, now that I got the decoder all ready to go, I now need to unpack the train. So as it's Batman packaging, it's quite easy. First thing you do, you take the sleeve off. Then you have plastic packing inside, so reduce down to that. Then you have limited edition certificate, and it's model 282 out of 512 produced, so I'll keep that safe. Then there's the complete breakdown instructions. There's how to DCC chip it instructions, and then there's the warranty and collect club instructions. So it's saying 4 screws, then there's a place for the decoder. So let's get onto that bit. So push the train out of the plastic sleeve, and you've got your bits for adding your speaker if you have a sound decoder. Then you lift that, and there's a train. Very nice, BR livery, pickups on the wheels, nice underframe detail, forward and backward head codes, so I can see the screws, so just grab the screwdriver for this job, which is this one here. So you just undo your screws one at a time, and make sure to put them somewhere safe. And if you're being really good, remember which one go in which hole, but it doesn't really matter because they all should be the same length. So that's those two. This is actually quite an easy undo. So that's those two. It's good to see that Batman is really designing stuff for easy DCC access. So now it's saying just lift the loco lid off. So I quickly do that, then I'll come back to camera. Okay, so I've taken the body off. You've got this spot here for if you're adding a speaker, and then you've got your 21 pin blanking plate just there. So I'll just take that out, just gently prise it out with a screwdriver. And keep that for future use. Then get your decoder, it will only fit one way round. Make sure that everything line up nicely, and then just push it down. So that's the decoder in. Before I put the top back on, I'll quickly test it on the programming check. So I'll just pause again. Okay, the decoder is installed. It's not running at the best yet, but it is working. It does have a bit of gunge inside whereabouts it's been sitting for so long. but it is running. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and see you next time. Richard.